The K8000 rotary sprinkler is ideal for watering areas between 20 to 48 feet. In this video, you will learn how to set and adjust the K8000 sprinkler. This sprinkler is adjusted from a left start position, meaning it starts from the left and rotates clockwise and then returns. Let's first look at the indicators on the rotor head: nozzle arrow, breakup screw, arc set arrow, pull-up slot. And now the parts of the sprinkler: breakup screw, nozzle, turret, riser. There are 4 easy steps to setting the K8000. Find left start, set left start, set right stop, adjust the spray distance. Before starting, make sure the sprinkler was installed with the nozzle arrow pointing away from you. Place your fingers on the top of the sprinkler head and rotate the turret all the way to the right until you hear a click. Then, rotate the turret counterclockwise until you hear another click. This point is the left start position. Insert the key into the pull-up slot. Turn the key a quarter turn and pull up the riser completely. Hold the lower half of the riser and turn the riser until the nozzle arrow is pointing to your desired starting position. The sprinkler will begin spraying at this starting point. Carefully release the riser. Hold the top of the sprinkler at the start position with your finger to keep it from rotating, and insert the key or flat-slotted screwdriver into the arc set arrow and turn it until it points to your desired stop point or degree setting. The breakup screw is used to adjust the distance of the spray. To change the distance of the spray, the breakup screw can be adjusted with the key or a flathead screwdriver to the desired distance. Your K8000 rotary sprinkler is now set and ready to run.